David R. here. Today I'm going to talk to you about this course, Religions of the Axial Age, an approach to the world's religions, taught by Professor Mark W. MUESSE from the Teaching Company or the Great Courses. The Axial Age was a period between 800 and 200 BCE. It was a pivotal period, and it laid the foundations for our current civilization. The 20th century German philosopher Karl Jaspers, who coined the term the axial period, said this: "The spiritual foundations of humanity were laid simultaneously and independently, and these are the foundations upon which humanity still subsists today." The axial age marks a shift from cosmic maintenance to personal transformation. Cosmic maintenance is when religion functions as a ritual means for humans to work with the divine powers. Now, during the axial age, this started to change. Selfhood and the heightened awareness of suffering and death prompted some religions to imagine afterlife experiences. The Axial Age covers several regions: East Asia, South Asia, West Asia, and the Northern Mediterranean area. Some key figures during this period were Zoroaster, the Buddha, Confucius, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. In East Asia, in what's called China today, Confucius and his followers laid the religious, philosophical, and political foundations for Chinese culture. In South Asia, a movement of ascetics and mystics wrote the Upanishads. This gave Hinduism its features. Near the same time and place, the Buddha and Mahavira started Buddhism and Jainism. In West Asia, in Iran, Zarathustra started Zoroastrianism. In the Northern Mediterranean, in the land of ancient Greece, Thales, Pythagoras, Heraclitus, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle essentially invented the Western philosophical tradition. Karl Jaspers, who I referred to earlier, had this to say: "Extraordinary events are crowded into this period. In China lived Confucius and Lao Tse. All the trends in Chinese philosophy arose. In India, it was the age of the Upanishads and of Buddha. As in China, all philosophical trends, including skepticism and materialism, sophistry and nihilism, were developed. In Iran, Zarathustra put forward his challenging conception of the cosmic process as a struggle between good and evil. In Palestine, prophets arose: Elijah, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Deutero-ISAIAH. Greece produced Homer, the philosophers Parmenides, Heraclitus, Plato, the tragic poets Thucydides and Archimedes. All the vast development of which these names are a mere intimation took place in those few centuries, independently and almost simultaneously in China, India, and the West." Obviously, I couldn't cover everything. There are 24 30-minute lectures, but I just kind of gave you an overview. If you would like to study this yourself, there are plenty of books and information on it. I believe I got this course on eBay for under $10. I think that's like a steal. These courses are top-notch. They're the best, in my opinion. They're like going to college. Well, anyway, that's all I got. Talk to you later. Bye.